In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable or stop Spotify app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to stop this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To stop notifications from this app, first we need to go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps option or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for your app by name. So I search for Spotify and here it is. If I tap on it, now here, look for permissions section. You can see permissions is here. Under permissions, go to notifications. And if you tap on this, now you can see we have these 6 types of notifications are turned on. Among them, notification badges, permanent notifications, vibrations, play sound, lock screen, as well as floating notifications. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications option here, and this will turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you never again receive these alerts unless you turn them on again. So that's how you can permanently disable or stop Spotify notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.